Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to make delicious sesame all-egg Meesua soup. Hope you like it. This noodle soup can be eaten as a staple food or as a soup, and it is also suitable for friends with no appetite. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: Meesua egg, ginger, goji berries. Sliced ginger. Wash goji berries, then soak in a teaspoon of shoshing wine. Crack egg into bowl and set aside. Add a tablespoon of sesame all into wok. Add egg and fried egg. Fold egg and fried for 30 seconds. Fried egg set aside. Stir-fry ginger slices until fragrant. Add goji berries and shoshing wine. Add fried egg. Add a big bowl of hot water. You can add more water because the Meesua will absorb the soup. Add a teaspoon of salt and pepper powder to taste. Optional to seasoning with chicken powder. Once boiled, add Meesua to cook until soften. Meesua don't need to cook too long, just cook until they are softened. Pour Meesua into soup bowl. Meesua soup is done. It's so easy, right? I use spinach meesua, hence the meesua is green color. This noodle soup has a very fragrant sesame and shoshing wine flavor. Friends who like the strong wine aroma can adjust the amount themselves. Meesua absorbs soup very well, so it is recommended to cook it just when you are ready to eat it. You can also cook more soup and add a little when needed. Meesua are as thin as hair and become transparent after being cooked. They are soft, nutritious, and easy to digest. They are a great product for nourishing the body for the elderly, children, and patients. Meesua contains the beautiful blessings of wealth, good fortune, and longevity. It is a must-have for welcoming guests, blessing, celebrating festivals, and giving gifts to relatives and friends. In the southern Fujian region, people usually bring meesua and eggs to wish someone a happy birthday or other happy occasions to express their blessings. Meesua have many meanings. When seeing someone off, eat a bowl of meesua noodles, hoping for a smooth journey. When entertaining guests, eat a bowl of pork trotter meesua noodle, hoping to get rid of the dust and calm down. It is very important for pregnant women to recuperate after giving birth. Eating chicken soup meesua or glutinous rice can nourish the body and make milk flow smoothly. When holding a banquet such as a full-month banquet, the first dish is usually meesua, which means long life and good fortune. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. There are more CNY delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them out too. Also, I'll be sharing new CNY delicious recipe. Follow me now so you won't miss them all. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.